show's about to blow up over here. That thing was smoking a lot. That turbocharger looked like it was gonna
ballast because one,
oh yeah, it's
down, and also
yeah,
you
it's
can
pouring.
See rocks perfectly balanced.
Yeah, it's
on the
pouring.
side.
It's pouring.
They have a car that's pouring real bad. I don't know when.
It's starting to smoke badly up there. It looks like it's about to blow.
up.
It's gonna blow
It's
up.
not our job. It's not our tracks.
It'll be my job here in about a couple months.
Mine in a year.
I'll make sure to ruin everybody's ears. And the
What's
two
with the
engines that have the horn buttons on the.
What's the
conductor's
solar
side.
panel? What the solar panels do?
I don't know.
Sure. Probably some.
Yes, bull crap. That no one
Usually
cares
it's
about.
because NS is trying to be innovative and
Oh,
they
it's-
establish something that doesn't.
It's probably for the remote dumping. Bull crap
Yeah.
that no one likes.
Probably.
Remote dumping.
I hate to see either a night or rainy day. We do not want to pour. Yeah.
That's the problem.
It's probably some shifter that shifts the ballast into the actual dumping zone so it can fall out.
Yeah.
That's probably controlled by whatever that solar panel is powering.
And that's why it's going at restricted speed. I can see why.
That's the reason why he also has track authority.
Of course, you do the park train's going faster than this one.
Yeah.
Michael's going slower than I've ever seen.
Look at the car. It looks like ET's on it. It was that car right there. It looked like it had an ET on it.
Oh, graffiti.
It's not bad. Like, oh yeah, it's illegal, but it's not bad. But some of the artists
Yeah, but
do.
then you have to strip it off. And you get stuff like. You get all the political stuff.
I'm
Yeah.
not saying it's my problem.
There he is again. There he is again. There's the thing, the creature.
Clear of the crossing, crossing clear on the rear of the whistle.
Yes, sir, M3, 23 lined up, clear for a westbound shove into the
And a
platform.
friend.
Clear for 3
EOT.
Crossing, it's clear.
Y'all heard it, Gina. My parents are doing it. And they go back in the tank. Ready for the Fred?
I'm gonna say something.
Ass! What did you say? Ass! Yes, indeed, there is.